Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the car jump starter, or in the third generation car jump starter by Oittm. Oittm is the brand. 1500 ampere peak current. These are 15,600 milliampere hours. It is a car battery booster, up to 8-liter gas and 6.5-liter diesel engine, power bank, portable charge, phone charger with USB charge plus quick charge 3.0, and of course USB Type C and a 12-volt DC output, and on top the LED light. And this comes all in one single device. There it is. It is a nice case supporting unit. It is all collected in one bag, as you can see. This bag you can open by using a zipper. There's an instruction manual inside. There are some wires and so many other things like a USB-C wire and an AC adapter, and of course the jump starter itself. So if you have got a flat battery, nothing gets your vehicle started more quickly or easily than a good jump starter. Oittm jump starter will jump start 8-liter gas or 6.5-liter diesel engine with easy steps. Clamping the corresponding polarity directly to the battery posts will give you the best results. The device has a reverse polarity protection. The mistake-proof design makes it safe for anyone to use and features spark-proof technology as well as reverse polarity protection. It is a portable charger for personal electronic USB 2.1A, USB quick charge 3.0, Type C, DC output 12 voltage, 6 ampere, and of course 3 light modes. Light up the dark, man. Strong light, as well as light and strobe. These are 3 settings of the light. The light you can choose by using the button on top of the device. Only push and hold it. Sturdy construction and stylish appearance. Well constructed and compact size for easy storage in a glove box or large center console. Let's get up the specifications. The capacity is 15,600 milliampere hours, and these are 57 or 5,700.72 watt hour. Start current is 700 ampere. The peak current is 1,500 ampere. USB output has 5 volt, 9 volt, and 12 volt. The second USB output has 5 volt and 2.1 ampere. And the Type C has 5 volt and this comes with 3 ampere. DC output has 12 volt and 6 ampere. The working temperature is minus 15 degrees Celsius until plus 60. But this is hot, really hot. Estimated time for full charge is 240 minutes, and you can choose your AC adapter to load this device. Get power inside. The dimensions are 7.63 inches to 3.46 inches to 1.47 inches. The jump start up to 8-liter gas or 6.5-liter diesel engine, but take care, you cannot start a truck with this because a truck has a 25-volt battery on board. Only 12-volt battery is okay. Let's head up to the notes. The jump starter will work best when its battery is full charged. So, How do you can check this? Only push on the button, and as you can see, there are 4 LED spots. If one LED spot is on, that is less than 25%, and the next step is 50%. Another step, that means 3 LEDs on 75%, and 4 LED, that means it's full 100%. This is enough to start so many cars. You can only start the car when the indicator lights on the jump clamps flash green. That you can see if you dock in the clamps wires, and then it is the LED indicators will flashing a little bit, and this is how it is ready to use. If you reversely connect the battery polarities, the LED indicator on the clamp will flash red. Please disconnect the clamps and reconnect to the correct battery port. This is the safety setup. Disconnect the clamps from the vehicle's battery if the engine is successfully started. Allow the jump starter to cool down for at least 10 seconds after each jump start because of the high energy which is flowing out of this device. So how to use it? Connect the connector to the current terminal of the car jump starter, as you can see in the movie, and you can see now it's flashing green, red, green, red, green, red, and that means it is ready to use. If the start does not is successful at the first and the second time, you can push the reset button for about 3 seconds. Then the LED will constantly green, and that means more power is coming out, but this only do if the battery of the car is really empty. The next step is connect the red clamp to the positive terminal and black clamp to the negative terminal of the car battery, of course. Then start the engine of your car, remove the jump if the car is started, remove the jumper connector from the jumper starter, and after this remove the battery clamps and let your engine run a little bit for more energy into getting into your car battery, of course. These are all parts, it's easy to use, and how to load your device like iPhone is easy. Only switch in the cable and dock it to your device. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.